creating a shortcut menu plugin consists of three parts. Step number 1, specifying the objects that the plugin affects. Next step is determining how the custom item appears in the shortcut menu. And the third and last step is editing how the plugin executes when we select the custom item. So these are the three steps. Step 1, specifying the objects that the plugin affects. Step number 2, determining how the custom item appears in the shortcut menu. And step number 3, editing how the plugin executes when we select the custom item. To begin creating a shortcut menu plugin, there is a utility that we can use which is present. For that, we have to go to the program files, then National Instruments, then the LabVIEW version we are using, then the resource folder, then the plugins folder, then the pop-up menus folder, and there we will find this VI called create shortcut menu plugin from template. Run this VI. Give a name to your plugin. Let's call it test, and specify whether the shortcut plugin menu affects edit time, panel or diagram, or runtime diagram only, and specify whether to open the plugin VIs after they are created. So we have chosen edit time, panel or diagram, and we have chosen to open the plugin VIs after they are created. So let's run the VI, and 3 VIs have opened up. Front panels are open. Let's see where they are. The first one is called test.ctl. It is located in the documents, then LabVIEW data, pop-up menus, edit time, panel and diagram, and inside this test library. The second one is called execute test.vi. located in the same location, same library. And the last one is called test.vi. It is also located in the same location. So let's go and check it out. Let's go to documents, LabVIEW data, pop-up menus, added time panel and diagram, and there is our library located. Let's double click it. To launch the library manager, and inside it we can see that the execute test, test control and the test VI are all present. So this VI create shortcut menu plugin from template. It is a utility VI which generates the files we need for plugins. We customize the files to build the shortcut menu and execute the plugin.